All right, so we're looking at the July 2021 question 3A, and it reads, the diagram below shows the triangle PQR in which QPR is equal to 62 degrees, which is right here, the angle at P. And the angle PQR is 90, right here, the angle at Q. And PR equal 11 centimeters. So PR is 11. So the question asks us to find the size of the angle PRQ. Well, definitely this angle PRQ, mark the angle, it's right here. Well, this angle that they're asking us to find is a simple idea where we just utilize the total internal angle of a triangle, which is 180. So we could look at this a number of ways. We could say 180 minus the sum of 90 plus 62. All right, just to show the working, and this is going to land us about 28. All right, so we're talking about the 28 degrees right there, 28 degrees for the angle at R. All right, so that's a simple one mark question in CXC. Let's jump to the next question. So the next question says find the length of the side RQ. Let's go back to this though. So if we want to find the length of the side RQ, they're asking us to find this. All right, so we intend to find this side. So let me just put a question sign here. So we're supposed to find this side right here. What will be useful is the fact that we're having a right angle triangle. We have an angle here. We also have an angle here. So it's up to us. We have a number of things to do. But guess what? With the soccer tower idea here. All right. So let me just move this from there. All right. So we're looking at pulling the trig. So we're looking at the hypotenuse, as you can see here. And we have an angle here. We have a side here to find this side. We also have an angle here at a side here. So we can do so many things. I'm just going to choose one. So I'm going to choose sine. All right. So sine has to do with the angle here. The opposite side to it, which is the angle, that is the side that they're asking us for, and the hypotenuse, which is right here. So I'm going to be using this in an effort to get this side here. So let's just put together the calculation easily. It is said that the sine of the angle, the sine of this angle, and we're talking about the angle at P, sine of the angle P, all right, sine of the angle P is equal to, this case, we're talking about opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is the side that we want in this case, so it's going to be Q. And this is going to be over the hypotenuse, which is 11, right? So sine of this angle, all right, here. So if we're supposed to put everything together, all right, basically we're looking at sine of 62 degrees, and that is going to equal to RQ over RQ over 11. All right, so basically what we're dealing with is that in an effort to find RQ, we can multiply both sides by 11. So we can multiply both sides by 11. All right, so I could duplicate that, multiplying both sides by 11. All right, so we're multiplying both sides by 11 here, as you could see, which would have let this level cancel that. And then this is going to provide us with the answer that we're looking for, 11 times the sine of 62 degrees. So we can simply just put this on our calculator, and it's going to just walk us out with our answer. So, and we're getting 9.71. All right, so our final answer is that RQ is equal to 9.71. All right, and this is centimeters. All right, so there it is. We have our answer. In solving our triangle here, this, that's the length of that side. Yeah. All right, so there it is. We have solved this right angle triangle here.